Hey, today we're going to be going to the Bridal Veil Falls, well, waterfall. We had a nice early alpine start to get here, about 4:30 in the morning. Only fell asleep like 3 times driving, so pretty good. A big tree. Well, we've made it to the waterfall and it's going quite strongly today. We'll get ourselves up there a bit to have a better view of it. Okay, up we go. Almost there. Oh man, it is nice. There it is. Whoa!
You okay?
Yeah. So this here is all ice. You can't tell, but it gets wet and it freezes. So I stepped there and stood all the way there. Okay, instead of going there, we went this way. Okay, went around the other way, and this is much better. Look at it! Woo! What a nice waterfall. So the reason this is called Bridal Veil Falls is because it represents the veil of a bride, the way it comes down. Kind of cool. So that's Bridal Veil Falls. Quick video, super short, but just wanted to show it off because, let's be honest, the hike itself isn't much for this either. Like I said, I got up really early. I was driving this whole time. It's more of a stop to make on your way to Vancouver, on your way out of Vancouver. Super nice though, pretty. And we got right in the morning, the gate's still closed. We had to park down by the gas station and walk up. So there's actually nobody here except there's a trail runner just doing their thing. So really quiet today. Usually it's a bit busier here. But yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time.